Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then hit Allow in the pop-up and choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Now to create your alarm, tap on this plus at the top right corner here. And set up an hour. When you're ready, tap on days of the week that you wish to pick, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays. Click on alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. And tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to turn them off or on. You can also adjust them however you wish to. I will start with alarm sound. By clicking on it, you can pick one of those sources and even operate volume slider by swiping left or right. I will select ringtone as my sound source, so when I click, I need to hit allow. Tap on those two switches next to those two features to manage them, and then tap on one of those sounds. Or click on this plus at the top right corner to select any song from my tablet. You can also click on the switcher next to play selected highlights to turn off or on this feature. I will pick over the horizon, so when I tap, I need to hit done at the top right corner to save my changes. Then go back, click on vibration, and select the best vibration pattern for incoming alarm, like heartbeat. Lastly, tap on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. After going back this time, you can finally save your alarm by clicking on Save at the bottom right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it and use the same now gray one to switch it back on. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you can always do that by holding it and clicking on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!